Hi guys, and welcome to another video of Southwest Ireland Rainforest. Just a little update on the trees. My fern is still doing good. My cherry tree started to blossom. Got two more extra tractals Fortunias, windmill palms. My other windmill palms are doing good. Just to tell you about this Buta captea, it's the most hardiest palm you can find. If you're in a colder region, this is the palm to buy. Very different to the phoenix, bluish leaves, and when it starts to seed, the fruit on it is lovely. You can make jam out of the seeds. And these have got a bit taller. My lily flower is doing hugely recover, and my golden cane starting to get green. Just go up to it and show you. See the green there? My himmels is doing good. Now go up to my buster. As you can see, it's doing good, and it's getting another leaf. That's all, gentlemen. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like below. Thank you.